Hi friend, in this video I will discuss about how you can generate trade for the Bank Nifty using this Excel sheet Bank Nifty Trading Pro 2.2, where you have to enter the high and low of the first three 30-minute candle and you will get the trade over here. You will find what is the plan for today and you will find the level over here. I will show you exactly what to do. I also show you the detailed track sheet from the February in, and especially I kept this track sheet bold. Bold area is for this month only, and overall you will find the track sheet here where you can see that almost around 32,490 was the profit since February using this Excel sheet. So this month, today's video I will talk about yesterday's Bank Nifty Trading Pro performance and how to do it. I also discuss about the performance of April. In the month of April, total executed trade was 6, not executed trade was 2. There was 2 days of avoid trading. That means the system says that you should not trade. One losing trade, net point gain was 594 point and per lot profit was INR 11,897. This is this month till date. Now I will show you. I am talking about this details tax sheet here. You will find, as you can see, this month we have gained over 594 point, that is around 11,897, and total point gain since February was around 1624 point, or total profit trading one lot was 32,490. Now I will show you what to do using this Excel sheet. Now daily after 10:45, that means after 3 30-minute candle happen, you have to enter the data here, the high low data of the first 30 minutes. So for example, yesterday's data, this is a 30-minute candlestick chart of the Bank Nifty current month future. I have to enter the high and low here. Let's change the date first. The yesterday was 24 24, sorry, 24/04, and then you have to take the high and low of the first 30-minute candle, that is 19,734.80. Low was 19,435.10. The next candle high was 19,752.35. The low was 19,550. The high of the third candle, it was 19,712.85, and the low was 19,521.00. So as I enter the data, I have to click over here and you can see that it is saying plan A, yes. Now, because it says plan A, I have to check what is the trade in plan A, and in plan A, it is giving entry, stop and target. So the entry it is giving 1975.4. That is, if I make it a 5-minute chart or 15-minute chart, then it will be clear. So entry was above 19,754. So your 19,754 has triggered in this candle. In this candle, the 19,754 level has triggered, and the target was 19,804. The high in this candle was 19,859. So target was achieved in this candle itself. So we have gained 50 point. Remember, in a regular day it has traded, it has given the 50 point quick target and it was achieved very quickly. So this is the, again I am repeating, this is the total track sheet from the February month, and this strategy is doing very well. It is very simple strategy. What you have to do is that you have to enter the data over here and you can get the trade. This is simple. And as I show you the track sheet also, it is working. So definitely if you if you choose to trade according to this system, then definitely you should follow the every plan um, very specifically. And I wish all of you a happy trading and do good trade and stay safe. Thank you so much for your time.